In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present on PowerPoint in just 5 minutes. Whether you're preparing for a business meeting, an academic presentation, or just want to share a personal story, mastering PowerPoint presentations is an essential skill in today's digital age. So grab your laptop or sit in front of your desktop and let's dive into the steps you need to follow to give a fantastic PowerPoint presentation. The first thing you'll need to do is open your Microsoft PowerPoint software. For many of you, PowerPoint is a familiar tool, but if you're opening it for the first time, you'll typically find it under Microsoft Office in your program list, or search for it in your computer's search bar. Once you've launched PowerPoint, you're ready for the next step. Initially, you're greeted with the opening screen of PowerPoint, which showcases various templates and recent files. Here you need to open your specific PowerPoint file that you'll be presenting. If it's a recent project, you can simply click on it from the list of recent documents. If not, you can click on Open to navigate through your computer's folders and locate your file. Double-click your file, or select it and press Open to load your presentation into PowerPoint. Once your file is open and you're ready to present, your next move is to navigate to the Slideshow tab. The Slideshow tab is effortlessly found at the top of the PowerPoint interface. This tab is crucial because it shifts your regular editing screen into presentation mode, where your slides can be viewed as they will appear to your audience. This transition is essential for getting a real sense of how your presentation will unfold. Now, you're just one click away from starting your presentation. In the Slideshow tab, you'll see several options, but the most straightforward way to start your presentation from the very beginning is to click on From Beginning. Alternatively, if you're comfortable with keyboard shortcuts, simply pressing F5 will also launch the presentation starting at your first slide. This action dims the rest of your screen, spotlighting your presentation and signaling the start of your showcase. But before we wrap up, let's go through some additional tips to ensure your presentation is smooth and professional. First, familiarize yourself with other slideshow tools, like using the arrow keys to move back and forth between slides, or pressing the ESC key to exit the presentation mode at any time. It can be incredibly useful, especially if you need to pause or navigate to a specific section during your presentation. Additionally, rehearsing your presentation and timing your slides can make a significant difference, helping you deliver a concise and engaging presentation that holds your audience's attention. PowerPoint offers a rehearse timings feature that can aid in this preparation. Remember, the key to a successful presentation lies not just in how well you've prepared your slides, but also in how comfortably and confidently you can navigate through them during your presentation. Practicing these steps before your actual presentation can significantly enhance your ease and fluency when presenting. That's it, you now have the know-how to present in PowerPoint effectively. These steps, albeit simple, form the backbone of what it means to give a stellar presentation. Familiarize yourself with these processes, experiment with what PowerPoint has to offer, and most importantly, be confident in your delivery. Whether you're presenting in a classroom, conference room, or virtual meeting, these skills will help you communicate your ideas powerfully and professionally. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to present on PowerPoint in 5 minutes. I hope this video has been insightful and helps you deliver impressive presentations that captivate and inform your audience. Keep practicing, stay confident, and you'll be a PowerPoint pro in no time. Catch you in the next one.